Today we are going to study circular flow of income. The term circular flow of income or circular flow of economic activity refers to a simple economic model which describes the circulation flow of income between producers and consumers. In the circular flow model, producer is referred to as firms and consumers are referred to as households. The major exchanges are represented as flow of money, goods and services, etc. First of all, we should know what is circular flow of income. It refers to the circularity of the flow of production in income and expenditure across different sectors of the economy. There are two flows, real flow and money flow. Real flow refers to the flow of goods and services across different sectors of the economy. Money flow refers to the flow of money in terms of receipts and payments across different sectors of the economy. Now, what is the significance of circular flow? First of all, it facilitates estimation of national income, shows interdependence among different sectors, highlighting circulatory of intersectoral flows. So as you can see in the diagram, circular flow of modern in two-sector economy. Here, two-sector, why it is two-sector? Because here we are only taking firms and households. So very well in the diagram you can see that households are rendering their services and firms are producing the goods. So there are four transactions that are involved in the two-sector model in the simple economy. The first transaction is factor services, land, labor, capital and entrepreneur flow from household sector to the producer sector. This is called real flow. Transaction number 2, factor payments flow from producer to household sector for their services, that is rent, interest, wages and profit, that is called money flow. Third transaction is final goods and services flow from producer to the household sector. Again, this is real flow. And the fourth transaction involves final consumption expenditure on goods and services flow from household to producer sector, that is called money flow in the exchange of goods and services. Now, as you have seen the diagram, so you must know that in a simple economy, total production of goods and services by firms is equal to total consumption expenditure of goods and services by household sector. Factor payment by firms is equal to factor income of households. Consumption expenditure of households is equal to income of the producer sector. Real flow of production and consumption of firms and households equals to their money flow of income and expenditure of firms and households. Two-sector economy with the financial system. This financial system is not a sector. It is just a intermediate, a link between the households and the firms. So, financial system is essential for working of the modern economy. Financial institutions are intermediaries between savers and investors. Features of the financial system are all savings by the households and firms go to the financial market. Financial market invests this money by leading out to firms and to household sector. Thank you.